Okay, so a really important concept to understand is the difference between a null and an alternative hypothesis. So the null hypothesis is kind of, I like this grumpy old judge right here is a good example. It's kind of what existed before. It was the accepted norm before, what was generally valid? What was the generally accepted principle before you want to try and introduce your alternative hypothesis, which is generally what you're trying to prove. I'm trying to prove that this drug is different, that this drug is better than what was before, okay? Or the old drug, okay? This is really, so the H naught right here is the null hypothesis. HA is usually the notation we use for the alternative hypothesis. And it truly is just good to write these out so that you're thinking about them as you're actually performing the test, because it can be a little bit confusing and you can get a little bit lost in them. Okay, so the null hypothesis, again, the grumpy old man, what existed before. The alternative, like the rising phoenix, we're just trying to introduce something new and changing to our generally accepted understanding of the universe.